So the steps to automate your strategy is first to get the data. So one of the questions would be where can I get the data from? So you can get the data from any of the data vendors. Generally, if you are looking for a minute level data, then it is chargeable in the sense they will charge you some fees in exchange of the data. And if you're trading in India and if you want daily data, then you can easily get from NSC India website to backtest your strategy. Once you get the data, you have to ensure that it is of good quality. There is no junk data and so on and so forth. Once you get the data, the next step is to define the trading hypothesis which you have in mind. Okay, the trading hypothesis is that you want to pocket the premiums, you want to pocket the theta, you want to pocket the IV, or it could be anything, right? Once you have the hypothesis in mind, you select the appropriate option trading strategy. So in this case, we selected straddle and strangle. There are like bunch of option trading strategies which can be selected based on your requirement. So select the option strategy. Okay. Once you have the strategy selected, you define the entry and exit rules. Okay. So entry and exit rules should be defined along with any stop loss and take profit which you want to keep in the strategy. So here we decided that IBP should be greater than 80 as our entry condition, and you similarly also define the exit criteria. So the exit criteria can be based on some conditions, or it could be based on the stop loss and take profit levels. Okay, so once you have the exit defined, the next step is to backtest the strategy, right? You just see that after deploying these rules on the data, what will happen. So you backtest the strategy and then you evaluate the performance of the strategy. So we looked at Sharpe ratio and max drawdown. So you evaluate the performance of the strategy, and finally you automate and live trade your strategy. So then you live trade. You can also paper trade in interim, and if you want to skip that, you can also directly jump to live trading.